Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. We are going to be unboxing my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2018. If you guys don't know what these are, basically Beautylish is a website that sells more high-end kind of makeup and skincare brands as well as some indie brands as well. But they do this like the day after Christmas every year. They have these lucky bags for sale, which basically are $75 for their regular size, and you get guaranteed $150 worth of products, so guaranteed double your money. They also do come out with extra large lucky bags, but I am never fast enough to get one. Usually it's for priority for people who spend $1,000 or more on their website. I just have the regular box today to show you guys, and this is my second time filming this, but this is my third time getting one of these. And last year I was not like super impressed with my box just because I got a lot of repeat items from my previous bag, so I have high hopes for this one. I have seen sneak peeks on Instagram because I cannot wait. I like always have to look ahead of time. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm kind of excited to see what's in here. But no matter what, I feel like I always get a good value for my money. Even if I do get repeat products, I'll most likely put some in a giveaway or something. If you guys are interested in signing up for something like this, like I said, it won't be available till this coming December, but I will leave the link down below for next year's box if you guys want to sign up, but this one is sold out right now. Anyways, long enough of an explanation. Let's get into the box. This is what it looks like when you unbox it, and then let's unwrap and see what we got. Everything is individually wrapped, so we won't get any sneak peeks. Oh my gosh, I feel something really big. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Let's do this little package first. So I think there's two things in here. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so first up, I have some RCMA No Color Powder. This is one of my all-time favorite powders. I'm actually almost out of mine. Let me show you guys. Just so you guys know how much I love this stuff, mine is getting to the bottom. So yes, I have a backup. I am so excited. This stuff is bomb. I love it for setting my under eyes, love it for setting my face. Makes my makeup last all day. It's really inexpensive, but so awesome. So I'm so excited to get this in my lucky bag. All right, next, what are you? Oh, we have something from The Ordinary. This brand actually just came to Sephora.com as well. This is their caffeine solution. It says reduces appearance of eye contour, pigmentation, and puffiness. So I'm excited to try this. I'm definitely always looking for different eye creams. This one I think is more of like a liquid. I've tried a few Ordinary products. I'm not sure how I feel about the brand itself, but I will definitely be giving this a try. It looks like it is a little liquid. It has a little dropper to apply the solution. So far, my value is about $18, so I have a couple small items, so I'm excited to see if there's like a really like expensive item in my bag. Ooh, I have three things in this little package. So first up, ooh, we have a JOUER Longwear Lip Cream Liquid Lipstick in the shade Blush. These are one of my all-time favorite liquid lipsticks. They're so comfortable, and I'm pretty sure I don't have this color yet, and that's really surprising because I literally own probably 8 of these, and yeah, I don't have blush, but this is a beautiful pink. This will be perfect for spring. I'll go ahead and swatch it because I'm definitely going to be wearing this color. It's so pretty. So yes, very happy to have this in my lucky bag as well, just something that I love from JOUER. Another lip product we have here, this one is from Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics, and this is their Lip Tar Liquid Lipstick. I actually have not tried their new versions. I used to love their lip tars that were in the tubes, and I've always wanted to try their liquid lipstick ones. This one is in a fun purple shade, so I mean, it's definitely a bright color, but this is definitely something that I will try out. And I have been wanting to try this formula, so let me go ahead and swatch this. Oh, that is so fun. You guys, when I was like really new to YouTube, I used to be like obsessed with like lavender lilac lips, and there was like never like the perfect color, but I would have been obsessed with this color. It's in the shade Lily. So this is a lip tar from OCC. Alright, next up we have a little set from BECCA. This is called the Glow on the Go set, and it comes with a shimmering skin perfector in Moonstone. That is one of my favorite colors from BECCA, and also their liquid, I think. I do have the full size already, but this would actually be really nice to travel with. I hate taking my big ones because I feel like they're gonna break when I put them in my travel bag or in my carry-on or even my luggage for the airplane. I just feel like they're so easily breakable. Never tried the liquid, so this will be fun to try. And then the little travel guy is fun as well. And like I said, Moonstone is one of my faves. It's a little bit lighter than Opal because Opal's a little bit too dark for me, but yeah, I'm excited to get this as well, and this is a $20 value, it says. Oh my gosh, no way, no way, no way. I think, okay. I think this is something that I really wanted. Oh, a VISEART palette. It's the mini ones. I've been wanting to try these so bad. Alright, so this is the little VISEART Theory palette. I have been wanting to try these little guys. I've seen them on the Sephora website. I've seen them on Beautylish, and they're just like the mini sizes, but they have like shimmers and mattes, and they just look like the perfect like go-to little palettes. And yeah, this is in the shade Cashmere. Oh my gosh. This is perfection. So we have like the perfect go-to neutral palette. This is just going to be like something I'm going to use all the time. I can definitely see myself getting a lot of use out of this. I'm so excited. I really wanted one of these. I just think that these would be a lot more wearable for me rather than they're like all matte palettes and stuff. So I'm super excited for this. Should I swatch these? I don't know. I know their shimmers aren't like super pigmented. Oh, that is really pretty though. But I know people always rave about their matte colors. Here's just a couple shades. I am so beyond excited. Yay! Alright, so far the value of my box is about $118, and I feel like I've gotten like a lot of stuff in my box. I've gotten like a little bit more inexpensive items, but I like that I'm getting a lot of stuff. So then this is the last one, and it feels big. So let's see what is in here. Did I just get like a really lucky box? Oh my god, you guys. This is the makeup brush collection from Chikuhodo. Okay, let's see. I have no idea how much this is. I know Chikuhodo brushes are very expensive. I've never tried them myself, but this is an entire collection. Like, you guys, I think I got a $245 brush set. I'm looking on their website, and it says it's the 2016 collection, and this is a sold out item, so maybe they just had like some extras lying around or something, but dude, I am so excited right now. Holy crap. I'm pretty sure this is the $245 brush set, which would make my bag valued at $363. Holy crap, I have not seen anyone get this either, so let's see what we have in here. These are like literally the softest brushes. So it says Chikuhodo / Beautylish, and they have these beautiful floral little handles. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So this looks like maybe a powder brush. I also got this brush. This would be nice for maybe blush or under eye setting powder. They don't have like names on the brushes. I could be totally missing it, but I don't think they do. There's this brush too, which is more dense. This would also be a nice like little blush brush. And then we have a really nice crease brush. And then we have this little angled brush as well, which would be nice for like smudging on the lower lash line, or you could use it for eyeliner as well. And then you also get, it looks like a little brush case. Yeah, so you get a little brush case in there as well. And I forgot one more brush. This one looks like this. I don't have any brushes like this. I'm not sure what I would use that for. Maybe for like something on the lid. I cannot believe this right now. This is crazy. I know this thing is a little bit older. It's from 2016, but holy crap. I got a whole brush set in my lucky bag. Like, what? Okay, so that is everything in my 2018 Beautylish Lucky Box. This has been the most epic box I've ever gotten. Sometimes you get really lucky, which I'm pretty sure I just got insanely lucky, and sometimes you get not so great ones, so it's kind of a risk, but I think that is the fun part of it, because last year my video kind of blew up, and I got actually a lot of hate on my video because I felt like I didn't like my box because I had gotten the same things the year before, but then this year I got really good items. So obviously I'm very happy about my lucky bag. So that is going to be it for today's video. Let me know what you guys got in the description. I would love to know if you guys got the Beautylish Lucky Bag as well. What was your favorite items that you received? As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!